Welcome to our in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Kia K4 LX. Kia's latest compact sedan blends style, technology, and practicality into a package that's sure to turn heads. Today, we'll explore its exterior, interior, performance, and features to see what makes it stand out. From the first glance, the Kia K4 LX showcases a bold design with a signature Kia grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that give it a premium aerodynamic look. The car's wide stance and refined proportions make it feel both sporty and sophisticated, perfect for city driving or weekend getaways. Moving along the side, you'll notice the flowing lines and stylish alloy wheels that add to its modern appeal. The rear of the K4 LX features sharp LED taillights and a sculpted trunk lid, giving it a dynamic and confident presence on the road. Step inside and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit designed for comfort and convenience. The dual digital displays seamlessly integrate into the dashboard, providing essential information and entertainment at a glance. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, soft-touch materials, and available ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere that enhances every drive. The Kia K4 LX comes equipped with an intuitive infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a user-friendly interface. The center console houses a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and convenient storage space, making it easy to stay connected on the go. Under the hood, the K4 LX is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine delivering 147 horsepower and paired with a continuously variable transmission for a smooth and efficient ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, this sedan offers a refined driving experience with impressive fuel efficiency. Kia has packed the K4 LX with advanced safety technology, including blind spot collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and forward collision avoidance assist. These features work together to provide added confidence and security, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers. The 2025 Kia K4 LX is a perfect blend of style, innovation, and practicality. With its modern design, advanced technology, and efficient performance, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed sedan. What do you think of the new Kia K4 LX? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews and updates.